Hello, viewers. You're welcome again to this amazing channel. My name is Esther, and I welcome you home to this amazing channel where I share with you 100% remote jobs and every other opportunity that can earn you an extra income without leaving the comfort of your home. Perhaps you are a student, a stay at home mom, or you have a 9 to 5 job but you need an extra income. This is the right channel to be. So, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that each time I post opportunities like this, you'll be the first to be notified by YouTube so you can quickly take advantage of this opportunity before a lot of people get to know about it. So if this sounds like what you're interested in, come on, let's go right into today's video. Today, I'm so excited to bring to you another amazing opportunity, 100% remote job that can earn you $15 per hour. Isn't that amazing? And this is made possible by First Source. I'll put the link to this page in the description of this video so you can navigate your way without any stress. So let's go to the description of this job opportunity. It is customer service representative. That's the position. Customer service representative. And it's $15 per hour with incentive. So you can also get additional income apart from this standard $15 per hour. So what are you expected to do in this position, in this role? You will have endless opportunity to positively impact the communities in which we work and to affect the lives of health plan members who we serve. If you are outgoing, like to talk to people, and have the ability to influence others, we want you on our team. So, what would you be doing in this position? You identify and address the members' concern and attempt to overcome any objection. You navigate in a window-based system to access the appropriate information to service the customer. You operate various office equipment including telephone and computer. Then you perform other duties as may be assigned based on company's need. So, like I said, the pay per hour for this opportunity is $15 and you can earn more based on scheduled visits and quality. So, what are the qualifications? 6 to 12-month call center experience preferred, high school diploma, GED or determination of an equivalent communication competencies. Customer service experience in a retail, hospitality, sales, or call center environment preferred. Experience in a metrics-driven performance environment. Experience, excellent verbal and written communication skills with good command of the English language and strong interpersonal skills. Must be comfortable speaking by phone, must be able to speak clearly and concisely on the phone. Excellent data entry skill and ability to navigate multiple computer screens while conducting a customer call. Demonstrated ability to organize, take initiative, and follow up independently. Proven time management, multitasking, prioritization, and follow up skill in a rapidly changing environment. Ability to think independently and make decisions while adhering to the company standards and guidelines. Ability to work independently while being a productive member of the team. Ability to work in a fast-paced, dynamic growth environment. Then prompt and regular attendance required. So for this opportunity, it is basically for United States residents. So if you're currently in the United States, please take advantage of this remote job. Take advantage of this remote job. It's a work from home job. It was posted just yesterday night. So I I want to encourage you to quickly drop your resume before a lot of people get to know about this job. It's still very fresh and hot. So please take advantage of this opportunity. So we have clicked the apply button, apply online, and we are here on this page. Private agreement, select a language, the language, English language, then click on I accept. You can read through the privacy notice for job applicants. So it brings you here where you have to register with this company, you sign up, then you submit your resume. I wish you the best of luck. We have come to the end of this video, and if this is helpful to you, you have qualifications and the requirements stated for this job opportunity, please give me a like, share with your friends and family that has this qualification so that they can also harness this opportunity. Please, you can give your comment if you want me to make video on related to your own qualification and experience and location. You can drop it for me in the comment section. I will definitely reply and make um, another video as required or requested of you. Thank you for joining me again. Please, if you are here to subscribe to this channel, kindly turn on your notification bell and subscribe to this channel as I'll be bringing you more amazing opportunities.